Clarity and comprehensiveness in policy documentation are essential for ensuring that employees understand and adhere to company guidelines. These qualities prevent misunderstandings and errors which can seriously affect an organization. To achieve clarity, use plain language. Avoid jargon and technical terms that might confuse the reader. Sentences should be short and concise, making the document easier to read and understand. Each policy should be articulated in a manner that leaves no room for misinterpretation. The structure of the document plays a significant role in clarity. A well-organized document allows readers to find the information they need quickly. Use clear headings and subheadings to break down the content into manageable sections. This aids in comprehension and helps in navigation, especially in lengthy documents. Consistency is another crucial factor. Use the same terminology throughout the document to avoid confusion. If a term or phrase is introduced, use it consistently throughout the same context. This uniformity helps reinforce understanding and prevents ambiguity. Visual aids, such as diagrams, charts, and tables, can enhance clarity and simplify complex information. When used appropriately, these tools can make policies easier to grasp. Ensure that visual aids are clearly labeled and directly relevant to the text. Comprehensiveness means that the policy document covers all necessary aspects thoroughly. Each policy should address who it applies to, what is required, when it is to be implemented, where it applies, why it is necessary, and how it will be carried out. This ensures that employees have all the information they need to comply with the policies. Comprehensiveness also involves anticipating potential questions and concerns. Where appropriate, explain and provide examples to illustrate how the policies apply in various scenarios. This preemptive approach helps mitigate confusion and ensures that employees understand the practical application of the policies. Regular reviews of policy documents are necessary to maintain clarity and comprehensiveness. Policies need to be updated to reflect new practices or regulations, ensuring that they remain relevant and effective. Engage employees in this process by soliciting feedback on the clarity and comprehensiveness of the policies. Their insights can highlight areas that need improvement. Training for those responsible for drafting and updating policies is essential. They should be equipped with the skills to write clearly and comprehensively. This training should include best practices for structuring documents, using plain language, and effectively incorporating visual aids. Clear and comprehensive policy documentation is not just about compliance. It is about creating a workplace where employees feel informed and confident in their roles. When policies are easy to understand and cover all necessary information, employees are more likely to follow them correctly. This leads to smoother operations and fewer mistakes, benefiting the organization. The investment in clarity and comprehensiveness pays off in the long term. It reduces the need for additional training and support, as employees can rely on the documentation as a primary resource. It also fosters a sense of trust and transparency within the organization, as employees can see that the company values clear and thorough communication. Achieving clarity and comprehensiveness in policy documentation requires attention to detail and a commitment to quality. It involves ongoing effort, including regular reviews and updates. The goal is ensuring all employees can access, understand, and implement the policies effectively. This approach supports compliance and enhances overall organizational performance. By prioritizing these qualities, managers can create a more informed and efficient workforce, contributing to the organization's success.